Hey, what's up, DIYers? Mike Boards with the Mike Boards channel. Thank you for watching. We just took delivery of our brand new Ruggable rugs, and we are going to open the box and lay them out and show you the end result. Let's take a look. All right, DIYers, here we are in the kitchen, and again, in today's video, we are going to be removing our old floor mats and replacing them with brand new Ruggable mats. And we have never personally owned Ruggable mats, nor do we know anyone that has owned them or used them in the past, so we're new to this. We're going to just see how it goes. And now to the front door, and actually this is one of the mats that we are going to be removing and replacing. And look how big that box is from Amazon. And down below in the comments and description will be a link on where to purchase brand new Ruggable mats. Let's go and open it. Here we are back in the kitchen, and I removed two of the boxes. One is small, one is large, and again, as you can see, they say Ruggable. Making progress, and we have opened up the smaller box, and inside this is what it looks like. And this is the print or design we chose. And the smaller of the two will go right there. What I did next was remove a couple chairs around the table, give us more space. And again, there is the brand new Ruggable. And first glance, once we remove it from the box, the rug itself is not actually attached to the rubber mat. And getting started, instructions, QR code as well. And there is the rubber mat, and you can see, kind of feels like a Velcro, very coarse and rough piece of rubber. And we will carefully cut this away or just unwrap it without a blade. And yes, try to stay away from using a knife to do that. I'll do the remaining two. And a quick reposition of the camera, and again, all I did next was remove those two additional pieces of plastic or wrapping. And the mat itself has two different finishes on either side of the mat. And the internal portion here is the very grippy finish, and the outer portion is the more Velcro style finish that the rug itself will attach to. So all I'm going to do is carefully unroll this or unwrap it. And again, the grippy side, and that will be the side that goes down. So I'm going to turn this over and continue unwrapping it. And remove any dust or debris, and just kind of scoot it down to where I want it. And you will notice little squares of Velcro on each corner of the mat. Again, this is the more Velcro style finish, and the bottom side is the gripper side. And the next part of the instructions say to roll up your rug in the opposite manner, where the design is on the inside. And what I'm going to do is place the rug in a centered manner, and I may need to pull the mat out just a bit, as shown here, because it looks like the rug itself is larger than the mat, and that's okay. But again, I'm going to basically do my best to center it, as shown here. And next what I'll do is carefully unroll it. And as I unroll it, I'm just going to apply some friendly pressure and really stick the rug or bottom portion to the grippy portion, or shall I say the Velcro portion of the mat. And I've got about 2 inches overhang on this side and about a ½ an inch. So what I might do is pull this back up and center it. And you can hear it as I do it. Again, since I had 2 inches over on that side, I'll probably come in at about 1.5 inches on this side and lay it down. And DIYers, I think that looks very nice. I like the design. Nothing too fancy or flashy. And it's very soft. And because of that corner right there, I may need to pull it out just a little bit, as shown there. Very nice. Very soft. And again, Ruggable, washable, likable, livable, all of the above. And when it comes time to needing to wash that, just refer to your vacuuming and washing your rug instructions. And from here, it's time to open up and lay down the larger Ruggable. And taking a big step back, I've returned the chairs and continue to open up the additional Ruggables, and we are going to shift gears to this walkway portion of our kitchen just inside the island and main countertop, and we are going to remove that old floor mat. And there it is, old floor mat removed. I vacuumed, and we're going to perform the exact same steps as we did with the previous smaller Ruggable. Rubber mat has been laid down, grippy side down, more Velcro style design or feel on the top. And there it is. The entire Ruggable and carpet portion or rug has been applied. And I like the design. I will let the wife make the final adjustments when she gets home. Don't want it too close to the stove where we're cooking. However, it is washable if anything gets on it. Grease might be a little tricky to get out, but that's okay. We'll get it out. And just in front of the dishwasher. And making our way back to the front door, we chose a different color. Same design it looks like, but different color to replace that rug there. Back to the kitchen, and down below in the comments and description, we will have additional links, one of which is the step-by-step process on how to properly and safely wash your rug. And in addition, we will post a link down below in the comments and description on these really awesome screens that go over your vents. And they are magnetic. And being this close to the kitchen table, that is a game changer or lifesaver when it comes to crumbs, food, or toys from going down in your register or vents. However, taking a big step back in DIYers, we hope this helps. Hey, do us a favor, below the video, you will see that thumbs up icon. Click on that, like the video, subscribe to the channel. Definitely ring your YouTube bell. That would be very helpful to us. We'd really appreciate it. Thanks again for watching. And one last update, wife returned home, made the final adjustments. And I do want to show you how off I was on this one. The large one did not go there. The small one did. And by placing the small one there, obviously it looks a lot better than the larger one. I wanted to show you that.